Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to create a video using AI. Artificial intelligence can help us to edit videos, add effects, and even generate animations. So, let's get started.
So first we have to go on this website called DID. Click on free trial and sign up. Click on create video. You will get to see lots of presenters. You can select any one of these, or you can also create your own AI avatar presenters. So now we will create an AI avatar using Lexica AI tool. Just write the prompt for the image and click on search. It will generate AI images according the prompt. We will select this image and we will download it. We will come back and click on add, and we will select and upload our AI image. Now the image is getting uploaded. On the right-hand side, you see the script option. You can write the script you want and also change language and other setting, or you can click on audio and upload the script audio. We will use ChatGPT to help us to generate the script. We will type, generate a short script for how to create a video using AI. Now ChatGPT will generate us the script, and we will convert the script into audio. We will copy this part, and we will to llElevan Labs. You have to sign up first. Here you can select the voice and do some other settings. Just paste our script here. I have made some changes in the script. Just come down and click on generate. It will generate us the audio and just download it.
Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how...
Now come back and upload the audio. Just select the downloaded audio file. It will take some time. And after that, click on generate the video. Here, generate. Now the video is getting generated. That is your AI video, and AI audio is ready.
Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to create a video using AI. Artificial intelligence can help us to edit videos, add effects, and even generate animations. So, let's get started.
Hope you enjoy my AI friend. If you like the video, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video. Till then, keep riding.